Hello everybody, my name is Mike Walker and I am the embedded tutor for Andrea Bowman's computer fundamental class. And I just want to show our online students a few things that I think is very important, starting with the 3 pages that they should know. Of course, the first page is their Moodle, and that's this one right here. The second one is the syllabus, which is on a separate site, Andrea's site. And you can find it right here, CIS 101, Computer Fundamental. So we're going to click that. And this here is some really good information, very important. This is the grading structure, the points, what you need to get A's, A+, A-. And down here, the third page that you should know about is how to get to the vocabularies. And right here are all the vocabularies that you need to complete. Week 1, week 2, you had to get 2 of them done, so both of these, 2 and 3, right? Week 3 and week 4. All right, so those are the 3 pages you really need to concern yourself with. So we have to get back to our Moodle. I'm trying to make this a short video, so that's why I'm going so fast, and I apologize for that. So let's get back to Moodle. Hopefully you've all seen this a lot. Right over here is the link you need to get to McGraw-Hill, Simnet, to get to our online book. And then we're going to click this link. All right, never mind about this screen. This is what yours look like. Hopefully you've seen a lot of this. So on this screen, these here are the chapters that we are doing for this course. Right here, you'll see that your due dates. If you remember week 2, we had 2 chapters to get done, July 5th, July 5th. This is the one we're doing for this week, July 12th. Right now, this is July 11th, so this one's due tomorrow. On week 4, you only got 1 chapter. Week 5, you have 2 chapters to do. July 26th, this is due. July 26th, this one is due. So this is how you can see what is due and when it is due. I've already submitted these 3 chapters. For some reason, I didn't submit this one, and it shows that it's overdue. So let's go into it and take a peek. Well, because I never did it. That's why. So this is our book, Microsoft Office 2016 in Practice. I recommend you go into the pages through the glossary, or not the glossary, but the index. This here is kind of like the page list. And if you look over here, not all pages have points associated with them. The first page, no points. So you really don't have to do that one. There's a lot of great information in there, and I suggest that you do it. But for the purpose of this class, you do not have to do it. The second page is worth 4 points. So this chapter altogether is worth 20 points. And if you add all these up, they add up to 20. So if the page has no points, you do not have to do it. So I recommend every time you complete a page, you come back to the page list and see what the next one is you have to do. So let's go into, let's try to find one with 1, this one here. Let's do using ribbons, tabs, and quick access toolbar. So this here is the book. We read down through the page. We learn all this very important information. Portrait and landscape mode in Word, up and down buttons. You know, we're learning all about the ribbon basically here. So when you get down to the end of it, you have a show me, a guide me, and let me try. The only one that's going to let you complete this page is the let me try. You need to get a check mark right here. So let's go into the guide me. So it says click the customize quick access toolbar drop down arrow. And if I don't know where that is, I know it's right here, but if I don't know what it is, and I think it's this one over here, I can click it and look at that. It tells me where it was. So I'm learning, even through my mistakes, I am learning. So I'm going to click that, and it says I got that right. It says select open. I will select open. Got that right. Now it says click the customize quick access toolbar drop down arrow. We know where that's at now. Perfect. Then it says select more commands. More commands. I got that right. So the whole point of this is to show me how I can add commands to, can I move this out of the way? No. Oh, so right there's more commands. So I click that. Perfect. And now I can add that. So I'll click add. So I'm going to add that over here to the command. There it is. Perfect. Clicked OK. And now it just showed up right there. So now let me, did I say command? More comments, like more comments. All right. Let's get back into it. So I'm going to do the let me try. And it says, without opening the word option dialog, add the open command to the quick access toolbar. Open command. So I'm going to do that. And there's the open, and I did that correct. Now it says, from the word option dialog, add the insert comment command to the quick access toolbar. So I know I have to go down to more commands, and then I got to find it in this list of commands I can add. So we want insert comment. There it is right there. So I click that, and I'm going to of course add it. Perfect. And there it is. And I did it. And now I got a check mark right here by the let me try. That's how I know I got this one done. I also got the guide me. But if I just did the guide me, it would not be enough. So I always recommend you back out of the page. So if you click this black X right here, you can back out of the page. And now I could take a look to see if I got it done. I did get it done. So now I can just go on to the next page that has points without having to do all the ones that have no points associated with it. So I hope you found this video helpful. I think I might do a couple more. If anybody has any suggestions or needs any help with anything, just send me an email. All right. Talk to you guys next time.